That one spins the whole shaft. I don't think that's real good. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flatbreak Adventures, and welcome to my new shed. So, here we are. First job is to remove the winch from the Challenger. Last time I went to use it, it seized up. I managed to free it and get it working, though it didn't sound real happy. So now I'm going to pull it out, service the gears, give them all a grease up, and hopefully there's no water in there and damage done. So stick around, enjoy the video, and see what I have to do. Okay, first step, remove the grill. Okay, so now I've got the grill out. I need to disconnect the yellow, disconnect the red, disconnect the black from behind, and this little earth wire here also needs to be disconnected. Then undo these two bolts, and there'll be another two somewhere. I'd better find them. And then I might need to take the number plate off. I think, yeah, take the number plate off, undo the 4 bolts that mount the winch, and pull her out. Alright, it's out. Always like to loosen all the bolts off first. That way you know they're all loose and you get them all out. Plus it loosens the housing or whatever you're doing, undoing, it loosens everything evenly. You don't get, in this case, 6 bolts out and have 1 still in, done up tight. Good chance it might be extra tight then. You can snap it undoing it or strip it. It's always a good idea to check that the length is all the same, so put them in order. Some form of order that you've taken them out, so you know which way they go back in. Now very carefully remove you can see an O-ring in there, so I don't want to pinch that. Instead of pulling the sticker off and having it then unusable and not being able to go back on, I shall carefully cut the sticker. There we go. Okay. Doesn't look, yeah, a little bit of water just around the edge here. So we had a little bit of water get past the O-ring. Okay, so pull these out and place them in order that I removed them from. Okay, you can see there's more water has got in here. Next part out. Need some better lighting. Yeah, it's definitely water that's got in there. Let's get about cleaning this, eh? Okay. It seems to stay in there. Okay, so these are a bit rusty. I'm just going to give it a light sanding with some 400 grit wet and dry. Okay, so now it's cleaning time. So what I'll do, I'll just wash with some good brake and parts cleaner. This stuff evaporates too, guys, so it's pretty good that way. Still some remnants of the old grease, but it's all right. Okay, so this one doesn't spin as freely. That one's nice and easy. That's nice and easy. That one's not so easy. That one spins the whole shaft. I don't think that's real good. Okay, so you need an Allen key to undo these. We'll take it fully apart, check it all properly. Okay, so that that's what that is all like. Okay, now let's undo the motor. Oh, it doesn't want to come undone. I think I'm about to bend my... No, they're too tight. So the grease I'm using is Valvoline wheel bearing grease. So I'll put a little bit extra in here. There's around that seal. The other ones had plenty in there. Grease these up. They're just rubber seals, so you don't really want some rubber running on a metal surface. This will just lube it up a bit. Okay, so to give it the best chance of survival, I'm going to coat all around the inside. A bit extra grease down in here. Yeah, around inside of there. Okay, so it's the seized one, or the one that was seized. Right, I think I'll do is I'll put around the outside of him. Plenty in here. Now, let's put this O-ring in first. Now, it's off. Make sure it's nice and clean. And all the grease in there will actually hold it into position, instead of having it fall out. That one goes over that and should slot in like that. This one goes over the top of that one and should slot in like that. Now put him back on with the correct orientation. Hear the gears falling out of there. try this again. Like I said before, just nice and get them just finger tight till you've got them all in. Then you can go and nip them up. Thanks for watching this video today, guys. Really appreciate it. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. Even subscribe if you can. So yeah, today now I need a new winch because that gear set has seized. It still spins on the shaft still spins in the housing, but the gears and the bearings don't spin on the shaft. So it will work for a little while. As you can see, it still works. But it won't be long, it'll probably fall apart, so I need a new winch. Anyway, thanks again for watching, hope you enjoyed it, you know what to do, catch you next time.